Oh, is he here? Is that my guy? Is that my guy? That gotta be my guy. Gerald, that's my guy, Gerald. Oh man, he's still here. I thought I was like 3 hours too late. He waited for me. Gerald! Oh my god, when I saw your bike, I was like, he's still here. Where were you going?
Get something to eat.
I know, but you've been riding around here? Oh.
I've just been waiting. I knew it was going to take a little while. I got a lot of curvy roads over by my house.
Oh, really? Are you going to show them to me?
How many hours do you guys ride?
I got some time.
Alright.
Why? What do you got planned?
I got some food at home.
I mean, if you got to go home and eat, that's fine too. I get it.
They'll save me some.
All right, caught up with Gerald. What up? All right, he's gonna show me around this area because he's not too far from this area. Ride the curvy roads that he's been telling me about. We'll check those out.
I've been to most of your places because I used to live north.
Oh, nice. And he said he's gonna let me test ride this one day, so we'll get a review on the Aprilia. That thing looks amazing. All right, just lead the way. I'll follow you. Hey, it's good to see Gerald here. Oh man, see, I love the dual exhaust. It looks amazing. We got some aliens there holding up his license plate, Gerald. You got them aliens. You got the high vis on. Yeah, I've been wanting to ride with Gerald for so long. Like, he's been reaching out to me, and I hope he didn't think I was trying to blow him off at all. But you know, with scheduling and everything in life, I'm like, I keep telling him, we're gonna do this, Gerald. I'm gonna hang out with you. He's a cool guy. No joke. So now we're here riding. He subscribes to my channel, and you know, I definitely appreciate people like that. And he was actually talking about my videos. I'm like, hey, dang, you actually watch them. This is amazing. And now he's gonna show me his little area over here. I mean, if you guys live close to me and you guys want to ride, reach out. I'm not that busy. I mean, I got kids and stuff, but I love to ride. See the girls. Get it? He wasn't lying. He wasn't lying. Curvy roads. These roads remind me of when we went to ride with the 507 boys. Yeah, baby. It's windy though. Oh, grass. Yeah, baby. This is fun. Yeah, we're going, baby. These are his roads. He knows them. Yeah, I'm not saying much because I'm just enjoying this. That was fun. Yeah, that was fun. And there were no cars, you know, like when you see me ride my little roads that are by my work, like there's so much traffic, you can't take them at the speeds that I'm taking them right now. Union Hill. Oh yeah, those long sweepers. I'm definitely getting rid of my chicken strips here. I really haven't pushed this bike, but I've had it for over a month now. So, you know, I'm starting to get it there. That's the only thing about these roads, they got all the cracks in them. Yeah, smooth like butter. Man, I love how these random rides happen. And thanks, Gerald, for being patient.
You got two really tight turns. Then it'll start opening it up, okay?
Okay.
It's really tight.
Alright. He's letting me know. There's two really tight turns, and then it opens up. I appreciate the warning. I don't even think Gerald's like just a subscriber anymore. I think he's like a friend now. This is how friendships start, right? You hang out, have things in common. I mean, he's supporting me. He doesn't even know me. That's pretty cool. This is that road. Oh yeah, look at that. Leaned over, baby. I'm leaned over. Trail braking. Look at him. Look at him. Trail braking. Gerald's trail braking. Yeah, I like these roads. They don't have as many cracks in them like the other ones. Yeah, I like these roads, Gerald. I like these roads. Yeah, these are nice. Oh man, I just can take these turns. He's so comfortable on his bike. I'm like trying to take this serious and he's like just chilling. He's just chilling. Alright, we're in Carver. Oh, look at this little Lisa's place, huh? Looks like a pretty chill back place for bikers. Oh, Shelby. Where are we? We're in like their downtown area of something. Is that Carver's downtown area? See, this is what I'm talking about. Casey's, see? They're just popping up. So where are we headed now? My camera died when I was riding with Gerald, so now I'm heading home. That's the end of the video. If you liked the video, subscribe. Hit that like button. That was a long ride. Now we're heading home. I'm probably gonna be sore after this one. Yeah, this is the last of my battery that I have. So, heading home. I'm actually very excited about editing this one.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'm ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.